And I'd like to start off by disposing any rumors about us going against the resolution, because we're not. The dictionary definition of affirmative action is not what we're debating. We are debating the legal act of affirmative action in the United States of America, which is Executive Order 11246, which required government employees to take affirmative action to hire without regard to race, religion, and national origin. The word socioeconomic does not appear in this definition. Okay, now that we've gotten that out of the way, I'd like to begin by addressing our plan. Our plan would create diversity, as I already said. Kelly said that Cal Berkeley lost a lot of minorities when they ended affirmative action. I will not refute this fact. But with our plan, because we would be incorporating the top 10% in lots of high schools, it would be creating diversity, because every high school is going to have different populations of kids in it. So you could be in the top 10% of, let's say, Norristown, or the top 10% of Upper Dublin. They're going to create totally different demographics of people going to college. So the diversity would still be there, but it would be equal instead of unequal as it is now. Also, we are all for helping people with socioeconomic class problems, as I said. But we also want to help people that are poor and may not be a minority. As I said, 19.6 million people are non-Hispanic whites who are below poverty. I'm actually going to steal one of Kelly's quotes because it helps me out. She said 7 out of 10 schools who only use socioeconomics had better diversity than with affirmative action. So with our plan, which would help people socioeconomics under the 10% rule, we would get even more diversity. And also, you guys were saying that you're not trying to use quotas, but you put a quota in your plan with your, I think it was it 5.4% or 5.6% diversity? 0.54. Okay. 0.54. So it's a percentage of your population should be a certain amount minority, which would be a quota. For the video, why that's terrible what those kids were saying. We are not trying to end. I mean, we are trying to end racism, but it's impossible to end racism. Racism will always exist in the world. We are trying to make it equal for anybody who wants to go to college to have a level playing field. And like Tatum was saying with the steps, we want people to let's say me and George. If I'm 6 foot and George is 5 foot, we want to give him a foot up so he is on the equal playing field with me. Not give him 2 feet so he is 7 feet and I'm 6 feet. That is what affirmative action is currently doing. End affirmative action to create equality. Thank you very much.